At betbidding.com, stock trading meets sports betting. You can bet on the outcome of a sports event, and in addition, you can trade your bets at any time during the match. Therefore, from now on, you can be a true broker of your sport bets and make some good money by buying low and selling high. Come and show that you know best. Register at betbidding.com and become the best sports betting trader. Let's look at an example of how this works. Tonight there's a very exciting game, a soccer match between Team Red and Team Blue. At the start of the game, you believe Blue is going to win, so you buy 100 tickets in favour of Blue winning for 50 cents each. Ticket is like a mini bet. It pays out €1 if the outcome becomes true. So, the blue tickets you just bought cost 50 cents. And now they will each pay out €1 if the blue team wins. With an investment of €50, you've bought the chance to double your money with a €100 payout. It's easy. Tickets are mini bets that can pay out €1 if the outcome is in your favour. Now, let the games begin. After a few minutes, Blue scores! Now it's 1-0, and it's become more likely that Blue will win. Other players also think the Blue will win, so they start investing in a Blue win, shooting the price up just like the stock market. A few moments later, Blue scores again, leading the game 2-0. Hold on, let's see what's happening with your bet. In the beginning, you bought tickets in favour of a Blue win at 50 cents each. Now that the blue team has scored again, the ticket price of a blue win has increased, and now your tickets are valued at 75 cents each. Suddenly, you notice that the blue team's star player is starting to limp. Wait a minute! Why don't you harvest your profits right now, before the red team turns the tide and your tickets lose value? Let's sell those tickets. Now, no matter what the outcome of the match, you've secured a good profit. Imagine, you can do this for any match. Just buy low and sell high, and you make an excellent profit. Register now at www.betbidding.com, where stock trading meets sports betting. Come and show who's best. Buy low, sell high, have fun.